Imagine a world without wireless communication. No mobile phones, no internet, no air traffic control, no space exploration. Spectrum, an invisible band of radio waves, powers all these essential services and more. Spectrum is a limited natural resource. It enables everything from phone calls and internet access to air traffic communication and satellite control. Managing this finite resource is essential to keep our world running smoothly. From mobile phones to high-speed internet, spectrum is at the heart of communication services provided by telecom companies, or TSPs. Spectrum management ensures that network congestion is reduced, call quality is maintained, and internet speeds remain fast. Spectrum monitoring helps optimize network performance by identifying congested frequencies, detecting interference, and managing bandwidth efficiently, ensuring uninterrupted services. Wireless Monitoring Organization's journey started with establishing one of its monitoring stations known as IMS in Delhi on 19 December 1959, followed by inauguration of its headquarters in 1978. It is essential in monitoring spectrum usage for key organizations like the Airport Authority of India, ISRO, and GMRT. It ensures safe air travel by keeping critical frequencies free from interference for air traffic control and navigation aids. WMO also safeguards precise frequency bands for ISRO's satellite communication and deep space missions, such as Chandrayaan. It also supports GMRT by ensuring low-frequency bands remain clear for accurate astronomical research. Managing this essential resource is the responsibility of the Wireless Planning and Coordination Wing, WPC, of the Department of Telecommunications. Through progressive reforms, WPC has streamlined the process of spectrum allocation, making it easier for both businesses and industries to access this vital resource. WMO utilizes advanced spectrum monitoring with cutting-edge technology to ensure vital communications remain uninterrupted. Strategically located stations detect interference and unauthorized signals, safeguarding critical services. WMO responds swiftly to any issues, maintaining a clean and interference-free spectrum for all users. In India's crowded cities, illegal wideband boosters disrupt licensed telecom networks, leading to poor call quality and slow internet. WMO teams actively identify and remove these devices, enhancing communication for millions. Their efforts not only improve network performance and reduce call drops but also raise public awareness about the negative impact of illegal boosters. Through enforcement and education, WMO is significantly improving telecom services for all. The WMO and WPC's transformative reforms in spectrum management have not only sped up the process but also made lives easier. WMO and WPC's transformative reforms includes automated telecom tower, registration-based clearance for small 5G cells, simplified process for import of telecom equipment in India, rationalized satellite telephony service charges. Seamless, online licensing process cuts down on paperwork and hassle. Digitization of records and auto-renewal of licenses. And finally, delicensing of various frequency bands, opening up new opportunities. WPC has also fully digitized the frequency authorization process, seamlessly integrating the Saral Sanchar portal with other platforms, speeding up the entire process and promoting ease of doing business. WMO protects India's wireless networks from cross-border mobile signal interference using advanced spectrum monitoring and real-time detection, ensuring secure, interference-free services. WMO also protects Indian signals and resolves interference with foreign satellites. Wireless Monitoring Organization collaborates closely with the International Telecommunication Union (ITU) and global partners to address interference challenges, ensuring the smooth functioning of both Indian and international satellite communication systems. Preparing for the future, 6G and beyond. As we leap into the 6G era, WPC and WMO are pioneering India's wireless revolution, enabling smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and beyond. With a focus on efficient spectrum management, they're ensuring our nation remains connected, secure, and future-ready.